Welcome back, everybody. We're getting ready to jump into the fourth different command, which is going to be the shell command. We used it on the last project, but let's slide down here and see what it looks like. It's a little housing. Okay, so let's draw this thing up. It'll take us just a few minutes. Throw up Inventor here. And this one is going to be in standard inches. Okay, so file, new, standard IPT, and make sure we're in English, standard inch IPT. I'm just going to take off drawing. We'll click on the XY plane there. On this one, let's just draw the whole front end of it. It'll take just a second to do. But come across here, it's 11 this way. If I can get it lined back up, 11, enter. 1.5 this way. And as far as I want to go right now, I'm going to go right in the center of it. And you can draw it however you want to. This one's 3.5 up, and I know there's a circle here. It's a 2.5 radius, which would be a 5 diameter here. She's also got a hole in it here. It goes all the way through, which is 2.5 diameter. And it looks like the quadrants are coming straight off the sides, straight down. So we'll adjust that here in just a second, but come up here and I could just about get it to track, and it did. Sweet. And then have our lines come up 1.5 straight over, touch it, trim it up, and it's got a radius, a fillet on it of 0.5, so I can go ahead and do that. Okay, all is well here, all is well. So finish that sketch up. We're going to extrude this one back, extrude, and this thing is, the depth of it is 4 inches. Okay, just like that. Alright, it's got some holes in it, so let's go ahead and knock those out right here on these ends here. Looks like 1 inch. So I'll come in here, get lined up. You can bring it straight over 1 inch, and they are exactly from the center of this thing to that. They are 4 inches. And then I'll put the other one over here, line straight up with it, 1. We'll do the same thing, catch the center of it to this, be 4. Finish it out, extrude both of those. And we want to do a cut through all. Okay, so all that is in place. All we got to do now is just cut this angle back on it. To do that, it's just a real simple catch right here and just a line. And I'll start it about right here, come up, and I'm not for sure where that's at. It's 2 inches is where that starts, so I'll go down here, 2, and I got to make this sure this line connects. Okay, so there we go. And then we got to make sure this angle here is 20 degrees. Finish the sketch out, and I hope it catches. It does. Good. Cut through all. It's gone. That quick we have it done. Now let's shell. So to do the shell, it's a very simple little task here. You go up here, and we used it earlier. It's in Modify, Shell. All you have to do is remove faces. Only face is going to be removed on this thing is going to be the bottom. Okay, see how that is? See how it's showing? So the bottom's going to be open on this, and the thickness of it is 0.25, just like that, and okay. And do you notice something? It shows this hole, it doesn't show it over here, so we've got to get rid of this. Alright, so it's easy to do that. We can do that real quick. Come up here and find our original extrusion, sketch 1, and all I've got to do is delete that out. Finish sketch, it's gone, and now just come back in here, start your new sketch on it, put that right back in there as a, what was that, 2.5, and then just cut it all the way through just like you did before, extrude. And just do yourself a cut through all, and there it is. So if y'all have any questions on that, just let me know.